Na mga butang siguro sometimes that it will not make sense to you when God calls you to do something or God would ask you to surrender. But if it is Him that will ask you igsoon nga, nak, isurrender na na. Surrender na na nga sala. Isurrender na na nga kaning wasting of time in things that are not affecting the eternal ba? No, nga mga butang. He is worth following igsoon. And all of these people that I have given an example, most of them are there in old age na ba? And it's not easy following God. So good na nahimo tag Kristohanon igsoon kinsa ba ang wala agi pagsulay. Pero through the process ba, God would allow us to go through a process in order to humble ourselves to Him. And to have a shift of pagsalig kung asa to ang true source, kung dili siya lamang. We lose sight of our need for cleansing from sin. Sometimes, no, dira sa ato ang pagpangalagad sa Ginoo, labi na ay danger kanang naa ka sa ministry or taod-taod na ka sa simbahan, nakampante na ta nga dili na ta kailangan magrepent or dili ta magpalimpyo dira sa presensya sa Ginoo. Ingon diri sa verse 5, "Woe to me, I cried, I am ruined, for I am a man of unclean lips, and I live among a people of unclean lips." No? We need to acknowledge always that we need God in our lives, and a true encounter with God reveals our need for cleansing. Allow the gospel igsoon to transform us daily so we can authentically call others to repentance. The greatest call that we have igsoon in our life is not a label of a pastor or a label of a missionary or these are noble things, no? Or siguro naiuban sa tuwa gitawag jud sa Ginoo nga manarbaho, mag empleyado, mag-teacher or mag-businessman, no, inana. But don't forget that our ultimate call as Christians is to call others to Christ. Usay mabutahan ta sa atong dream para sa ato ang pamilya. It's not totally wrong, but sometimes the God of our lives becomes money and the dream that we have. And we forget to look into people that are losing, no, their lives, their true purpose, and they have not encountered Jesus.